Hey, I'm Aubrey. Welcome to diib. Today, I'm going to give you a super quick tour of our dashboard. For a more detailed look at how to use diib, check out our dashboard tutorial in our knowledge base. Let's dive in. When you open your dashboard, you'll see this overview of your key metrics. We monitor everything from metrics like domain authority and mobile speed to your site's keywords and backlinks. This is your default view, but you can dive deeper into each widget using the left-hand menu. Up in the top left, you'll see your daily health score. This tells you how your website performed against our predictions. If you're close to 100, your website is performing well. A score over 100 means that you beat our predictions. Congratulations! If you haven't already synced your Google Analytics, you'll see that some of these widgets here will be blank. You'll definitely want to sync that to get the most out of your dashboard. We'll go over how to do that in a second. Now, as you explore your diib dashboard, you might see some terms that you aren't familiar with. Just hover over the little question marks, and you'll see a detailed explanation of these terms and why they're important. Scrolling down, on the left side of your screen, you'll see your website health widget. This tells you about metrics like your mobile speed, domain authority, core vitals, and more, and how you compare to other sites in your industry. Over here, you'll see your SEO tools widget. It's a quick way to check on your keywords and backlinks, and it gives you instant access to our Keyword Explorer. Keep scrolling, and you'll see your My Competitors widget. You'll need to add at least one competitor to fully activate this one. Once you do, you can use this view to easily monitor your competitor's website authority, total keywords, and total backlinks. Your Analytics widget gives you an overall view of the data channels you've synced. And down here, you'll have a list of your objectives and alerts. Now let's go over how to sync your analytics with diib. Click on the Analytics tab, and you'll see your Google Analytics right here. Click Sync Google Analytics, and then sign in to the Gmail account that is connected to your analytics. If you have multiple properties, you'll see them listed here. Make sure you click the correct one, and then click Sync Google Analytics. Once that's synced, you can see your dashboard start to fill out right here. Then you can click back on the Analytics tab and see even more details that we've pulled for you. Now let's go over some of our most popular features. Click on My Keywords. Here you'll see your total number of keywords, and you can see that you can sort by your Google ranking, your recent changes in your ranking, estimated monthly traffic, ranking difficulty, and you can also track keywords in here. Pro members can track up to 50 keywords. Now let's check out Keyword Explorer. This is a great tool for finding new keywords, or if you want to check and see if a search term that you have in mind is actually a keyword. We'll show you the search volume for the keyword that you entered, plus related keywords you might want to focus on. My Competitors is a really useful tool. Free members can add up to 2 competitors, and pro members can add up to 10, and you'll see here that you can see your competitors' top keywords and their ranking on Google, any recent changes, their backlinks and where they've come from, and all sorts of other helpful information. Pro members, don't forget to click on Free Backlink to claim your free DA60 Plus backlink. Of course, we have our Services tab that we're always adding to, and our handy-dandy support page if you ever need any help navigating diib or SEO in general. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions at all, check out our knowledge base at the top of your dashboard or click on our support page. We're so glad you're here, and we can't wait to help you grow your business.